Hello, welcome to Retail-Outsource. And today I'm going to show you how to fix the suppressed listings. So it's very important that you check it periodically and fix the issue. If you don't even leave it for 24 hours, it's going to impact your BSR rating in a big way. So it's important that you fix it as it comes and keeps an eye on this suppressed listing side. So I'm just going to show you. Once you have logged into your Seller Central, you have to go to Manage Inventory. From Manage Inventory, you have to click Suppressed. From here, it will show you all the items which are suppressed. So we can see there are 5 there, more information required. The problem suppressed, it will not show up on the results with the keyword. But if you search with the es111, then it will come upon search results. But nobody is going to search with es111. So that's the issue. So to fix the issue, you can see an issue description is there. And the majority of the time it would be a picture issue. Or some of the item specifications are missing. So these are the major 2 issues to get the item suppressed. So within the pictures issue, there are a lot of different things that occur. Like it's not the correct size, or there is text, or there is a logo. So there are a few issues there. So I have a separate video for the image policy. So if you want to watch that, I would put a link down in the description. So what you can do, you can add the image from here. But I will not recommend that. What I will recommend is to copy the es111. Go to Inventory, find that listing. And then click Edit. And you can see there is a red exclamation mark. So click on Images. And you can see the image recommendation. So this image is causing the issue. And it gives you more details to upload an image that doesn't show any text, logos, graphics, or watermarks, but show only a product photo. So that's what Amazon is asking for. Basically, we have to remove all the text and logo. I can see there is some text there. So need to remove that and have to reload the picture. So normally within 15 minutes, those issues would be sorted and your listing will be live. And if it's not sorted within 15 minutes, then you have to open a case and make sure that you come back and check the listing again. And if there is no alert on the listing, then you have to contact customer care. This is very unlikely, only very rare cases that happen like that. So that's how you fix the suppressed listing. I hope this video helps. We do post a lot of videos about eBay and Amazon. So if that's something that interests you, then please do subscribe to our channel.
Thanks a lot for watching.
And remember, if you sell on eBay or Amazon and have a few questions, then you can also book a free 30-minute consultation from the link in the description below.